Do you have the gut to be healthy? Well, I'm not challenging you to anything. I'm just saying if you have the gut, the ideal gut, you will never be ill. Because that's what is going to define your overall health. Mark these words, if you don't have a healthy gut, you are never going to be happy, period. Allow me to show you how and why. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are delving into a fascinating yet often overlooked topic, your gut. Did you know your gut is often referred to as your second brain? That is because it plays a massive role in your overall health, from digestion and immunity to even your mood. So if you are new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe to our channel where we share healthcare facts and some uncommon yet effective remedies to improve your lifestyle habits. Never ever take your gut health lightly because you are not aware, but your gut is making you take some really weird decisions. It's keeping you irritated and even governs how you will react to certain situations in life. So if you are looking to boost your gut health and in turn overall well-being, stick around as we uncover the top foods for a healthy gut and explain why taking care of your gut is so crucial. So why is gut health crucial? First, let's talk about why gut health is so important. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. Think of it as a bustling metropolis where different bacteria work together to maintain balance. Good bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium are essential for digestion, boosting immunity, and even producing certain vitamins like B12 and K2. A healthy gut also communicates with your brain, influencing your mental health and stress levels. When your gut is out of balance, called dysbiosis, you can experience bloating, fatigue, weakened immunity, and even mood swings. But don't worry, your diet can play a key role in restoring balance. What are the top foods for a healthy gut? Number 1. Fermented foods. Foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut are powerhouses of probiotics, live beneficial bacteria. Probiotics help populate your gut with good bacteria like Lactobacillus acidophilus, improving digestion and boosting immunity. Number 2. High fiber foods. Whole grains, beans, lentils, and leafy greens are rich in fiber, which acts as a prebiotic. Prebiotics are the food for your good bacteria, helping them thrive and maintain a balanced microbiome. Always be on the lookout for fiber-rich food, that's all. Good bacteria in your stomach absolutely love it and keep you healthy. Number 3. Bananas. Bananas are gentle on the stomach and packed with inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber. They help promote good bacteria like bifidobacterium, aiding in digestion and preventing bloating. Number 4. Garlic and onion. Rich in prebiotic compounds, garlic and onions fuel your good bacteria, particularly bifidobacterium. They also have natural antibacterial properties that help keep harmful bacteria at bay. Number 5. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants and polyphenols that support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, while also reducing inflammation. Number 6. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are excellent for gut health, providing healthy fats and fiber that encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea contains catechins, a type of antioxidant that promotes the growth of good gut bacteria while reducing harmful ones. Now here are some tips to support your gut health. Hydration is the key. Water helps your digestive system function smoothly and aids in breaking down nutrients. When you drink enough water, the digestive wastes are easily softened and washed away, thereby creating fresh ground for the next course of action. It's like clearing the table off for the next dish. Limit processed foods. These can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your gut. Processed foods change the gut microbiota composition and eventually cause gut inflammation. No wonder these are restricted by almost any health professional. Reduce stress. When you are stressed enough, hormones like cortisol, ACTH, and catecholamines are released into the gut through circulation. Chronic stress can harm your gut microbiome. Take proper sleep every day and consider mindfulness practices like yoga or meditation. Quit smoking, limit alcohol. I don't think I need to expand more on this matter. Quit smoking at all costs, no discounts here. Alcohol isn't advised as well for a healthy gut, so try to limit it to once every few months only. More physical activity. It can help lower insulin and triglyceride levels and raise good cholesterol. Regular exercises like jogging, cycling helps food move through the digestive system, stimulating the muscles in the gut. So there you have it, the top foods for a healthy gut and why it's crucial to prioritize your gut health. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're not just improving digestion, but also strengthening your immunity, balancing your hormones, and boosting your overall vitality. Almost 80% of your immune system is in the gut and also the source of majority of your body's serotonin. Latest research confirms that our gut microbiome can affect every organ in our body. So it becomes quintessential to take care of the good bacteria in your gut and give them what they really want, more fiber. So make it a practice to eat more raw fruits and vegetables in routine life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from a little gut health wisdom. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into living your healthiest life. Stay fit, stay sharp, and we will see you in the next video.